T. There's only 4 of us.
Man, them are come bearing gifts.
There's only 4 of us.
Frankincense,
Wait.
and tequila.
Wait, T, what's the mathematics?
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Are you nice, or are you just going to bite me? Okay, now he's showing mixed signals now. Hi. Please don't bite me. Oh my god.
Come here. Yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Told my missus that my microwave pasta sounds like Fanny.
Callum, stop. Callum, I will honestly throw it at your head. I'm going to remove it.
Why are you running?
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
It just represents the color of something that is on your forehead.
I'm Reese's Pieces!
Also, I got battered sausage.
Was that necessary?
Your face is a beautiful piece of artwork, but your breath is a horrible hell.
Please.
Into what?
You're into what? Sorry?
I'm into pussy, bro.
You are?
Yeah, I like pussy.
My god, I thought you were gay.
Somebody gave me fire!
I added my accessories and shoes and a Jacquemus bag to finish off the look, and here's what it's giving.
To be fair, he's a fine ass dude. But give me my fucking Nintendo Wii steering wheel back. I've been looking for that everywhere.
How can my hands be dry yet and you're literally telling me to use Vaseline to cream them? How can you be so
Guys, I have his address now. And in house I did go. That boy the Chris. We're gonna beat you today, fam. Because if you're not stupid, you won't be calling Vaseline Vaseline. What is it?
A weird dog get out of that.
That's a bag of shit!
Beep boop ba ba boop. Thank you.
What do you do if a strange man says, "Hey, come have a look, I got a cool Minecraft game in my car"?
I'll say, yes, can I please come with you?
Hey, what do you want on your hot dog? I'm putting mustard on mine. What do you want on yours? I'll put something on it real quick. Oh, you don't know? Alright.
Little fuck you in the hot dog, but little fuck you in there.
Go love it, tastes delicious.
Your mum when she your mum when your mum when she your mum when your mum.
Mom ever tell you the secrets to a tender, juicy, perfect burger?
No, but she did tell me that if I slept with a plastic bag anywhere in my room, that it would float to my face in the middle of the night and suffocate me.